Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm following Scott. Trying not to get roosted. Darn hot rod.
Can't help it.
We're out here on Gardner Canyon area in southern Arizona, close to Sonoyta. Checking out some trails. There is lots of trails out here for sure. But this one's more like almost like a road. It's pretty much a road, not really a rough trail of any kind. This one here. Ow! That tree limb hit me. That dude had stickers on it.
Yeah. Watch out for the rough spot up here.
We like it rough. Scotty does. More rocks and loose gravel, the better, is what Scotty always says.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. Downhill.
Loose rocks with just a little bit of sand on it. Downhill.
Yeah, downhill, a lot of loose gravel and rock in there, and super steep downhill. That's the best stuff.
Yep, and diarrhea running down my jeans. Help me,
It helps padding
yeah.
Make it more comfy when you sit down.
Well, when I fall off the bike, I have something to land on.
Yes, that's true. Lube your chain. Out your pant leg and lube your chain. Oh my. What's that? There's a trail there too. There's a hiking trail, that's what it is.
Isn't it crazy how much they dug this out?
Wow. Some side-by-sides flying
I
around
know.
this corner.
Crazy.
Digging it up. It'd be fun on a side-by-side out here.
Well, and you can tell every place where it's dug out like that, it's all the same kind of dirt. It's that stuff that gets super snotty when it gets wet, and it just tears up super easy. Got the washboards.
This is a pretty cool trail anyway.
I like this kind of stuff right here.
Yeah, this is fun. I think that fish trail would be fun on the CTs. Just kind of crawling up through there.
Well, the only part is if it's super steep, we don't have much clearance, so you got to hope that we can find a spot where we can go up.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you have bang that. Like that spot where you bottomed out, the
CT's
CT's definitely going to bottom out.
Yeah, because this is a lot more ground clearance than the CT.
Yeah, you're probably going to have to pop it up and then lift it and then move it forward or something if you want to go something like that, or you just got to go around or something.
I just wheelie up the whole thing, just kind of crawl it on a wheelie all the way up through there.
Yeah, the whole creek,
just keep the front tire off the ground.
Well, that's what the CT is all about.
That shows that's a road over there. See that over there on the right, that hill along there?
That looks really cool.
Yeah, like a trail or something over there is what it shows. I can't tell if it's a walk trail or if it's a riding trail, but it looks pretty cool. All up along that ridge.
Whoa, watch that on the right.
Yeah. When in doubt, guess it.
Yeah. I thought it was when in doubt, pinky out.
Yeah.
Kevin doesn't even know that one.
No, probably not.
Look, there's a track hoe up on the hill to the right up there working.
Oh, yeah.
Digging a hole up there or something.
Oh, yeah.
Like digging for gold.
That's what it is, yeah. We could borrow that for a few days on the property.
Have everything done.
Let's take all the trees out, man. If it's got
That's
one
what I
of
was saying is get something that you could take in there and just to get the trees out real quick. My goodness, you could do it crazy fast.
Yeah. I don't know if we're going now. We're not going to make it over where that track goes at. It's over on that thing that I said looks like a trail. Looks like.
Looks like we're going to be close to it. Because we're coming right up on it. It's going to be on the hill right across
Yep,
from us.
right up on that hill, yep. And that looks like that's where that trail's at on the map. This is some awesome riding out here, man. I definitely will be coming back here.
It really is.
A lot. We'll be coming back here a lot. This is our new favorite spot.
Yep. And the trails out to the trails. Dip right there. Little one.
A what?
Little bitty dip
Whoa,
right there.
That's a drop off. Holy crap.
Oh, hell.
Battery level is low.
Damn.
Okay. Whoa, I'd say stop right here. I'm going to change my battery, Kevin.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, I'm going to stop down on this bottom.
Or not my battery, but my Senna.
I got a peek.
I hope that other Senna's on channel 5. I don't know if it is or not. Maybe I'll just plug it in instead of doing that. Don't worry about it. The other one, I don't think it's set to channel 5, but I could do it. But
If you're plugged in, can you not record?
yeah, no, I can record, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It just don't actually charge the battery while it's on. Well, it'll power it, and you can keep recording, but it don't actually charge the battery.
I thought you'd get too hot.
Evidently, that's the only thing I can figure. They must have done it. I wish it would, but
Gonna drink real quick.
see if these trails how that's dug out over there.
Oh, we're not checking that way?
Oh, today? No. Well, I don't know. I guess we got time to do some more. We could go that way, huh?
Where does that go to? What is it? Did it say that was to the place that, or whatever? The what do you call it?
There's Coronado something up there. Oh, Coronado National Forest. That looks like just a... Oh, that may be that one. That's that road that I saw. Huh.
The one that come all the way back out here?
Yeah, let's go up that way just to check. Heck. Yeah, the highway's right there on the left. Okay, guys, we're going to get out here. Thank you all for watching this video. Click the thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.